This is Ervin.
I'm Anthony, and we've been longtime friends capturing moments since high school. So this is our town, Fairfield-Suisun.
Behind us, Armiel High, where our friendship began. You know who else went to this school?
He's famous. The bonsai tree trimmer.
The chopstick fly catcher.
The wax-on wax offer.
Mr. Miyagi himself.
Pat Marina.
So join us as we karate kick it throughout town.
A town favorite is Dave's Burger. Never go wrong with a juicy burger with a thick slice of cheese. The Suisun Marsh is the largest marshland in the West Coast.
Bab's Delta Diner is where we discovered eating quality fried rice for breakfast. You can take in the great views, fresh air, and the delicious brunch options.
Not until college that I realized our small town had a beautiful park and hiking trail. Here at Rockville Park, my college crush showed me this place. This is my first time back since she crushed my heart.
It's tearing up my heart when I'm with you.
Touring the Jelly Belly Factory and Budweiser Factory is a must. Conveniently located next to each other, you'll experience both a Willy Wonka type of tour and see how the King of Beers is made.
This is the gem of all gems, Joe's Sandwiches. Their portions are generous.
One of the newest additions to our city is Rustwater, a local bar and eatery showcasing an authentic rustic experience, but there's nothing rusty about their beers as they rotate them weekly.
This is our hometown,
Fairfield-Suisun.
Suisun.
So I hope you enjoyed our memories.
Come by and share yours.
Why'd you take us around town? We live here. I thought you guys were gonna take us to the movies. Uncle Irv, Uncle Anthony,